Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you an app that can earn you money by just using people's music on TikTok. So I had posted a video 2 years ago about the same app, and imagine it is still paying. If you didn't take it serious, it is time to take it serious and make use of it and make some extra dollar. Imagine with this app you can even make $30 in a day with a single song, because there is this one here. It has not been approved. Let me show you. It was which one? This one. This song is Die With a Smile. It is sung by Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. So you can see right here, they have not okay, do not participate unless you are approved. So they have not approved me, and imagine this bid is $30. So that is what I'm saying. You can even make up to $30 with a single song, like just one song, you make $30. You can imagine how much you can make. So how the amount you will make depends with the number of followers you have on TikTok. So guys, if you're watching this video, make sure you watch it until the end of the video, so you'll understand, or you'll be able to understand what it is all about and how it works and how you can withdraw your earnings. So guys, before I get started, or before I go deep in the video, if this is the first time you're watching my video or you are on my channel, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and you are welcome. And for those who have been with me ever since, my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, always supporting this channel to where it is now. And again, I just realized that I have many numbers, big numbers of answers, like people, they're just watching but they haven't subscribed. Please, if you're listening to me, you've been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. And so let's go. I think that's all. So let's get started. So the first thing you need, okay, I'll post my the link, and again, for now I'm going to put the app. You'll be able to download the app directly from the link I'm going to pin on the comment section and on the description of the video. So if you want to register, just go to the description of this video, or I'll pin another link there on the comment section. Or if you have any issue, you can comment down there. Or if it is something that I cannot do, or maybe the owner of the site or the customer cares can help, I'm going to show you where to get their contact. I hope I'm audible enough. So guys, let me show you something. For the first time, when you tap on that link, this is what you'll see. So when you tap on that link that I'm pinning in the description of the video, it will bring you here, where you'll be able to see sound.me on Google Play Store or any other store you are using. The first one that will appear on your screen is the one you are supposed to download. If not that way, then just look at the logo. The logo of the right sound.me is black, then it has sound written at the center. You can see right here. This is what I mean. Let me just put an arrow. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the right app that you will upload or you will download, not upload but download. So after downloading this app, you'll set your profile. You'll have to link your TikTok account with this app. The steps are so simple. You just need to provide your name, then you'll have to set password, then username, and your email address. So after setting your account, you'll wait for the account to be verified. Of course, when your account is verified, you'll have this thing right here, that red tick, meaning that your account is verified, and now you can start performing, or you can start earning by using people's musics, or you can start receiving campaigns. I'm going to show you the campaigns that I'm talking about. So the campaigns that you'll be receiving will have different bids or different prices. So when I say they'll have different prices, this is what I mean. Some will have 31 cents, some will have 30, some will have 60, some will have $3, some will have $10, some will have they're different prices. So any campaign you receive, if you're comfortable with it, you just tap on apply. Like right now, if I tap on this apply, or if you want to decline, you also tap on decline. And something that you need to know, guys, you have to follow the instructions first and foremost before you, after accepting or before you accept a campaign. You have to go through the instructions. You can see campaigns instructions. You can see the name of the song, the owner of the song, and you'll be able to see the instructions given. So if you're not comfortable with the instructions, then you'll just decline, then wait for another campaign. They keep updating campaigns. Like they can even bring up to, like in the morning I was having 7 campaigns. Some I was declining, some I was not. So some I accepted. So in a day, you can even receive up to 10 or 20 or more than that campaigns. It depends with how huge your account is. So again, when it comes to earnings, you will earn according to how, like, the followers you have on your TikTok account. So if you have 10,000 or 100K and above, you will earn more than me, or with like you'll earn more than somebody who is having 1,000 followers or less than 1,000 followers. So guys, that is what is so important here. You have to follow, you have to follow instructions before accepting. Like you have to go through the instructions before accepting a campaign, because sometimes it's something that you cannot do. Maybe they want you to dance and you are not comfortable dancing on TikTok. Because I know there are some people who are like they cannot dance on TikTok like other people. Some are so like they don't care, they dance, some will not. So people are different. So you just have to go through the instructions given on that particular campaign. Then if it's comfortable or if it's okay with you, you can go ahead, accept. If you're not okay with it, you could go ahead and tap on the decline. So this one, if I tap on the apply, it is going to go under accepted. So we have inbox. Inbox is where all the campaigns will come in before you accept them or decline them. Then accepted are those ones which have been applied. You've applied them. They'll come here under accepted. Then after they have been accepted, you just tap on the accepted. Then you'll be able to see the ones that have been approved. You can see your draft is now approved. I can also decline. You'll be able to see the deadline date. The deadline date is up here. You can see every campaign has got its own deadline. So you have to know what is the deadline of that particular campaign. So you have to go to create it and come back with a link before it expires. So they'll pay you according to number of views you've got from that particular campaign on TikTok. So for example, this one here, the name of the song is Jackpot, and you can see out the mix. So you can see the instructions are right here. Please do video, text on screen, or any type of content related to what you do if you want a jackpot. So that is the instructions given in this particular campaign. So what I need to do is to tap on open in TikTok. So when I tap on open in TikTok, it will direct me to my own account. Okay, the first thing, my internet is so bad. Let me retry. So you can see the name of the song itself. And these people too, they have used this. And you can see some people too are doing the same campaign. You can see they have used the same sound, and you can see whatever instructions was given there, they have used. So you can just open one to see what is needed, or the examples of the song that you
feeling like I found the jackpot. All the try why not? About time that I figured out. Had to see what that bankroll back. Don't let them say what you're not. I stacked it up, made a bag off tonight. Since I'm feeling like I found the jackpot. All the try why not? About time that I figured out. Had to see what that bankroll back. Don't let them say what you're not. I stacked it up, made a bag off.
So guys, as you can see right here, so after tapping on use the sound, it will bring you here on your screen where you're supposed to record the video itself. So the video will come with the name of the song. You can see the name of the song is Jackpot, right? The way it was in that app for campaign. So according to the campaign instructions, you are supposed to record a video using the same words you were given instructions to use. And again, after that, you're supposed to, after tapping on the, okay, just the way you normally do videos on TikTok, you're going to tap on this circle right here to start recording video for 15 seconds. Yeah, you can create the video for 15 seconds or 60 seconds, but for me, I recommend 15 seconds is enough. You don't need to do much. So after that, you write the instructions according to the instructions given on this particular campaign. You just write the messages or the kind of words that were given up there. So you just write them on your screen after recording the video. Then you post the video according to the instructions. Then you'll be good to go. Sometimes they'll even tell you to tag the name of the song or the owner of the song while posting the video. It's so simple. I don't know why you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point and you're still watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video if you haven't at this point. And again, you can also learn other ways of making money on my previous videos on other topics or other sites. So guys, this is free thing. It is working worldwide. Whether you are in Kenya, USA, London, Australia, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Tanzania, this thing is working everywhere. So if you're watching me and you haven't register or you're not going to register, I don't know what you want. This is free money. You can make even up to $100 per day. It will depend with how big your TikTok account is, how many followers you have. If you have 100K plus, my dear, I don't know what you are waiting for. Just follow the instructions. This is full detailed video. Everything that you need to know while registering on this site or this app. This is all. Yeah, so let me go back to the app itself to show you the other things like withdrawal and the methods that you're going to withdraw. So guys, something that I haven't told you. I know after posting your video, you will get a link on TikTok. There is video where you can share. Okay, where there is an option of sharing your video. There is a link. You copy that link. After copying the link, that particular video, which is this one that you've created, you copy the link of that video on TikTok, then come paste it here. You can see paste a link to your video. So you're supposed, after creating that video, you wait for it to upload. After it has uploaded on your TikTok, please make sure you copy that video link on TikTok, come paste it here. I hope I'm clear. After submitting it here, then this particular video, after submitting it, it will come here. It will come under active. So any created video, any accepted campaign will be here. After you've created the video and pasted the link, it will go under active. And when the deadline time reaches, it will come to completed. You can see the number of videos that I've completed so far. You can see, guys. Yeah, you can see. That is why I'm telling you, they have different payment, different campaigns. So they pay you according to the number. You can even see this one. I was paid $1.29. And money was okay. I was supposed to have I think 169 views. Then I got more than what I was supposed to have. And this one here, I was supposed to be paid $1.20. Then I was paid 82 cents because I got 91 instead of 531. So you'll be paid according to the number of views that you got on that particular or in that particular campaign. So you can see they have different payment. The prices are so different, so it also depends with how the video performed. They can also decline if you don't follow the instructions. You can see right here, this one was declined, and they'll give you the reason why they do so. So this is a good side. This one too was declined, and they give you the reason. You can see. And before this app was updated to this version, there were earnings that I was. So I've done this for years now. I think 2 or 3 years. Before they came to this version, there were other earnings that I had when this app started. I immediately joined when this app started. So there are other earnings that I had and withdrawals that I did before. So far I think I've withdrawn more than I've withdrawn more than 4 times on this app before this, but with this version I've just done 2 withdrawals, and for some time I've been just dormant for some time, especially last year and early this year. So it is when I want to take it serious again. So guys, if you want to know all about this app, just come to Help Center, then go through these articles. You can see what is sound, you can see how it works, you can see. So there are some things you just explore, you just read them by yourself and learn as you do campaigns and earn money. Why not? Why? How you get paid? So guys, let me tell you something. The method that they use to pay people is PayPal. For now, they use PayPal. Ever since, they've been using PayPal. Let me show you the withdrawals that I've made with on this version. So you can see, I'm saying something that is real. This one I made all this was last year, September 10th, 2023, and you can also see this was August 3rd, 2022. So it means I joined this app maybe 2022, early 2022 or late 2022. No, early 2022. I joined early 2022. So I've been on this app or on this site for 3 years. So you can see the remaining balance right here. So this is what I've earned so far on this new version, and I've told you that for some time I've been so low, like I've been not active that much on this side, but right now I'm fully back. Yeah, so guys, I'm showing you something which is real. I have done it, they have paid me, and right now I have this on my balance, and the minimum amount you can withdraw from this site is $5. Guys, you get me? Yeah, I hope that is all you need to know for now. Thank you guys for watching this video until this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and you can also turn that bell on so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified so that you don't miss any video. Because guys, whatever I bring on my channel is something that's worth it. You take your time, you watch it, you take your bundles, whether you're using bundles or Wi-Fi or so. You take your time to listen to this video until the end, my dear. Pay that bundle you've used or whatever. Pay it back by just using these campaigns to make that money back extra, even 5 times more than what you've used. So guys, that is all I wanted to share with you. I still have more sites to talk about or to bring on the channel. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching at this point. I think I've come to the end of this video, and see you guys in my next videos.